In the world of personal finance, your credit score is a vital indicator of your financial health. It can impact your ability to secure loans, get approved for credit cards, and even affect the interest rates you pay. If you're looking to give your credit score a significant boost in just 6 months, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll explore the top 10 strategies to improve your credit score quickly and efficiently. Whether you're planning to buy a home, get a new credit card, or simply want to enhance your financial standing, these tips will set you on the path to credit score success. Number 1. Check your credit reports. Before embarking on your journey to a better credit score, it's crucial to understand where you currently stand. Start by obtaining free copies of your credit reports from all 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You're entitled to 1 free report from each bureau annually through annualcreditreport.com. Scrutinize these reports for errors, inaccuracies, or fraudulent accounts. If you find any discrepancies, dispute them promptly. Correcting errors can give your score an immediate lift. Number 2. Set up payment reminders. One of the most influential factors in your credit score is your payment history. To improve this aspect of your credit profile, set up payment reminders for your bills. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your score. By ensuring that your payments are consistently made on time, you'll demonstrate responsible financial behavior to creditors. Consider using financial apps or setting up automatic payments to make this process even more convenient. Timely payments can have a rapid and positive effect on your credit score. Number 3. Reduce credit card balances. The amount of credit you're currently using, also known as your credit utilization rate, plays a pivotal role in your credit score. Aim to reduce your credit card balances to below 30% of your credit limit. Lowering your credit utilization shows creditors that you're not heavily reliant on credit, which is a positive indicator. Create a repayment plan to gradually pay down your credit card debt, focusing on high-interest cards first. By lowering your credit card balances, you can swiftly enhance your credit score. Number 4. Become an authorized user. If you have a close friend or family member with a credit card account in good standing, consider becoming an authorized user on their card. This strategy can give your credit score an immediate boost, especially if the primary cardholder has a long and positive credit history. When you're added as an authorized user, the account's payment history and credit utilization factor into your credit score. However, make sure you choose someone who manages their credit responsibly, as their missteps could negatively affect your score. Number 5. Diversify your credit mix. Creditors like to see that you can manage various types of credit responsibly. This means not relying solely on credit cards. Consider diversifying your credit mix by taking on different types of credit, such as an installment loan or a retail credit account. These can include personal loans, auto loans, or even a small store credit card. However, only take on new credit when it makes sense for your financial goals and budget. Avoid opening multiple new accounts at once, as this can have a short-term negative impact on your credit score. Number 6. Negotiate with creditors. If you have accounts in collections or accounts with past due balances, it's worth reaching out to creditors to negotiate. You might be able to work out a payment plan, settle for a lower amount, or even have negative items removed from your credit report in exchange for payment. This process is known as pay for delete. While it's not guaranteed, it can be a powerful tool to improve your credit score quickly. Number 7. Establish a solid payment history. Establishing a solid payment history is at the heart of any successful credit score improvement plan. It's a fundamental step in demonstrating your creditworthiness to potential lenders. If you've had accounts with missed or late payments in the past, your goal here is to get back on track. Start by bringing all your accounts current and make it a priority to never miss a payment again. Consistency is key. Over time, as you consistently make on-time payments, this positive payment history will gradually outweigh any past delinquencies. Creditors and credit scoring models will see that you are managing your credit responsibly, which will result in a better credit score. Number 8. Open a secured credit card. Opening a secured credit card can be a game changer for those struggling to get approved for traditional credit cards or aiming to rebuild their credit. Secured credit cards work by requiring you to make a cash deposit up front, which serves as your credit limit. It's essentially a way to prove your creditworthiness while minimizing risk for the issuer. To make the most of a secured card, use it responsibly. Make small, regular purchases and ensure you pay the balance in full each month. This practice demonstrates your ability to manage credit and pay your bills on time. Over time, as this positive payment behavior is reported to the credit bureaus, it will significantly boost your credit score. Secured credit cards serve as a stepping stone to eventually qualifying for traditional, unsecured credit cards with higher credit limits and more favorable terms. Number 9. Diversify your credit mix. Diversifying your credit mix is a strategic move that can positively impact your credit score. Credit scoring models like to see that you can handle various types of credit responsibly. There are two primary types of credit: revolving and installment. Revolving credit includes credit cards and lines of credit, where you have flexibility in your monthly payments. Installment credit includes loans with fixed payments, such as mortgages, auto loans, or personal loans. To diversify your credit mix, consider different types of credit accounts that align with your financial goals. For instance, if you've only had credit cards in the past, you might explore taking out a small personal loan to diversify your credit profile. As you manage these different types of credit responsibly, your credit score can benefit from this well-rounded approach. Number 10. Be patient and stay informed. The final piece of advice on your journey to boosting your credit score is to be patient and stay informed. Improving your credit score is not an overnight process. It takes time and consistent effort. Continue to monitor your credit regularly and stay informed about changes in your credit report. You're entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every 12 months. Take advantage of this and review your reports for any errors or discrepancies. If you find inaccuracies, dispute them promptly to ensure your credit report reflects accurate information. Additionally, stay informed about changes in your credit score. Many credit card companies and financial institutions now provide free access to your credit score, allowing you to track your progress. By staying patient, informed, and committed to positive credit behaviors, you can steadily improve your credit score over time. In just 6 months, you can make significant strides in boosting your credit score by following these strategies. Remember that improving your credit score is a gradual process, and patience is key. As you implement these tips, your financial responsibility and positive credit habits will shine through on your credit reports. This will not only result in a better credit score, but also open doors to better financial opportunities and lower borrowing costs in the future. So, start today and take control of your credit destiny. Your improved credit score awaits.